I wasn't quite able to get the project finished for this week, but this is a little sneak peek of part of the block that it will be. And in this video, I'm going to show you where the description is, and I'm going to show you how you can utilize a function that, or a feature that YouTube has called chapters. It's a really great tool for navigating each video. So let's get started on seeing where the description and the chapters are in YouTube videos. To find the description below the video, you look here below the video, and here's the video name, and here's some information about when it was downloaded, and then you scroll down some more, and here is the description right here. This is the channel name, Carol Thielen, and there's about 3 lines of text. And then if you keep going, then the comments start. So if you click this little button that says show more, it opens more of the description. And you can see in my later videos, I like to add information about what the quilt was, the fabrics used in the quilt, how big the quilt is, the quilting design, and all that. And so here then you have in all caps, Grunge Basics Fabric. So this will take you to where you can buy some of the fabric. This talks about the AccuQuilt strip cutter die and where you can buy it. And here below here is something that some people may not know about. This is called YouTube chapters. And not all the videos have them because the person has to go in there and physically enter these times and the chapter name. And what you can do is click on one of these and it will take you directly to the chapter that you want. So let's stop this and then let's go back down to the description again, and I want to show you something else. And so here's where you would download the pattern. Then you just click on this and the pattern comes up, and you can click this little button up here, this download button, and you can download it to your computer. So here are your instructions for that quilt. And if you go down further, there's you can subscribe to the newsletter. This is information on the Five Oaks Retreat in Brenham, Texas. And this is the Quilt Notes Learning Center, which is my blog. And I have tutorials and information there as well. But if you continue down, here is what YouTube has expanded on the chapters. So it gives you the introduction, and you can click on here and it'll go straight to the introduction, like there. And let's stop that and go down some more. And then it shows you little pictures of, it's a little snapshot of the video at that point in the video. So you can, it's a visual aid to help you go to where you want to go. And then further down, if there's any music in the video, then YouTube puts that information down here as well. So it's not always convenient to go down here. So another feature of the chapters is you can go up here, and so here's the video. And if you look here on the right hand side, there's ads, and then there's next videos that you can watch. So if you go back over here and you highlight this little line down here, you see that this line is highlighted and it's thicker. Well, that's the first chapter or the second chapter. And then if you keep going, and then it breaks up, and there's the third chapter, and then all the way down. And you can click anywhere you want to along that line to start the video wherever you are, and it'll take you there. But also, you can go down here, and this tells you you're in step 3, lay out the panels. Let's just stop that. If you click on this, I'm going to click on this in just a second, but keep your eyes over here when I click. So I'm going to click, and it brings up the chapters over here. And it's supposed to have the pictures here, so I don't know what happened there. But anyway, the chapters are right here, so you don't have to get off the video to go down to do the chapters. And then if you want to get rid of it, just click this. So do take advantage of the description below the video, and remember to click the see more. On your phone, you have the video at the top, and there's this little tiny little down arrow right here. So press on that and you will get the same description. And there's also a more button right here. So you can click that and it tells you more, and there's all the downloads you can have, and also the chapters are down there. So it's a little bit different, but you can still get to it and it still helps you navigate it faster.